Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify allergy testing procedures with Allergy and Asthma Network, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying allergy testing procedures, visit the Allergy and Asthma Network website. Familiarize yourself with the organization's mission and resources. Locate the section dedicated to allergy testing. Review the available educational materials on the site. Look for guidelines that provide an overview of common allergy tests. Understand the different types of tests, such as skin prick tests and blood tests. Identify the qualifications of the professionals administering these tests. Take note of the recommended preparation steps before testing. Understand potential risks and side effects associated with allergy testing. Learn about the interpretation of test results and follow-up recommendations. Access patient testimonials or case studies for real-world insights. Contact Allergy and Asthma Network for any specific questions or clarifications. Consider checking for any webinars or virtual consultations offered by the organization. Keep your personal medical history and concerns documented when reaching out. Using this information, verify whether the testing procedure aligns with best practices. Make sure to stay updated on any new guidelines or research published by the network. Follow up with healthcare providers for any personalized recommendations based on test outcomes. This thorough approach will ensure you are well informed about allergy testing procedures. By doing this, you empower yourself to make educated decisions regarding your allergy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.